Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to log out from YouTube account on Android. So first, you just have to simply open your YouTube application and make sure that this one is the latest version. Now, there are two ways in how to log out your account here on YouTube. But if you go to YouTube application and tap your profile or any of the features here, you can't see anything that says sign out or log out. So the first method here is to simply go to your settings, go to your app list, and then here you have to search for YouTube. So once you found that application, what you want to do is to look for storage usage. Okay, tap this one here and you need to simply click this clear cache and also you have to click this clear data. So once you tap this clear data, you will read this that this application data will be permanently deleted. This includes file settings, databases, and other app data. It also sign out automatically at the account that you're using on YouTube. If you have other accounts that are synced into your Google account, it will be logged in automatically to your YouTube. But if you don't have any Google account that are synced into your device, then you need to create or log in to another account or new account. Second method is go back to your YouTube application and click this manage your Google account. And then here, what you want to do is to just simply tap Google, that is below Facebook, and then you have to click that YouTube account or Gmail that you're using on your YouTube account. So once you tap that one, you have to click this two dots above and then tap remove account. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.